so. And oh, they get together there. And Joey spins, Marty.
Yes, he does. He goes around. I think he keeps it off of the wall, though.
Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming.
So far, no yellow. And it looks like we're going to stay green. Earlier in the lap.
See here, Carl Edwards battling with Kyle Busch. Gets into the back of Kyle. A lot.
And then there goes Sam Hornish around both of them. And there comes Joey Logano.
Don't think that's the last contact you're going to see.
No, because here it comes.
More pressure. Clear, you're all clear.
You know, I hate to tell you this, but there's 26 laps to go. Normally we don't see this till about the last 5.
Well, I think, wasn't it a little bit ago that Rusty and Brad were wondering where the aggressive driving was? I think we found it.
And you can tell Carl to fight me, because I'll be back up there. Well, this is going to be exciting. Carl better hope I don't get back to it, because I'll stump him.